Hello friends, welcome to another weekly dose of railways. Let's have quick recap. Now let's start today's episode. It feels like a trains will collide while arriving at a station. A rare clip of a Darjeeling Himalayan railway taken in April 1979. Two freight trains crossed and made a continuous honk. Truck carrying this diesel locomotive to its destination. View of a wall gear working in a live steam locomotive. Train got derailed while running and even rail tracks got lifted from the ground. Shuttle train crossing viaduct looks like a toy train is running. Please like, share video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.